Good morning. It's a spider.
Out in the sun.
Mag-start tayo ka, blessed. Let's go to Malinap Beach. Nandun ang mga salmon. Let's see if makakahuli tayo na isda. You're too noisy. Makulit.
Mommy, my lipstick.
Oh, you have lipstick. You took mommy's lipstick? Oh, you broke it again? Oh no. Oh no. Makulit na bata, oh no. So, time check. 11, 12. Oh, diba? Tama-tama. Tanghalian, 12 o'clock na tayo.
Mommy,
Yes?
and water.
Hey, you see a water. Yes. Moana wants to go ocean. What are you gonna do there? Oh, catch the fish. Very good. And eat the fish. Moana wants to eat the fish.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Nami. So, daddy like this, oh. Nami. Makulit. Nani? Daddy will catch the fish and then Moana will eat the fish. Then who cook the fish? Oh, who cook the fish? Who will cook the fish?
You cooking the fish?
Are you sure? Moana cooking? Cook fish. Ay, nako. Sana mapunta yung usapan namin. See you later, mga ka-blessed. Papasok na tayo, ka-blessed. Doon sa ating pagfisingan. Look at the road. Looks good naman ang road. Parang ang dami ng nangingisda doon.
My finish. Daddy bounce.
Your mouth is wet. The beach is busy today. Then we end up there.
Daddy, where's the water?
Quite a fair bit, but I say.
Daddy, where's the water go? Daddy, where's the water go?
At the end of this road.
Go. I go to the left, to the right. Ah, my bouncing.
Nakita niya ba, ka-blessed? Tawing ka. Yay! Sige, adventure pa more. Ay, ay. is real.
This is the easiest way.
Buhangin is real.
This is the easy way.
Ooh.
And then
And then, imagine. Imagine if your car is too low. Do you think you can make it?
you can stuck over the
Mr. T just so long, right? Mr. T? Another road.
Just let it slowly roll through
My God, look at that. It's not funny when it's raining. You start driving. My goodness. Yeah, your fish is too yummy.
What if
effort.
this is tsunami?
Yeah, you put effort.
What?
Yeah.
Tayo pressure before.
Stop tayo ka, blessed. Magbabawas tayo ng hangin sa ating gulong kasi mahaba-haba pa ang buhangin na ating lalakbayin. Nadinig niyo yun.
Mama, get the off. Mama, get the off. Mama, get the off.
No, don't get off. Daddy will finish soon. Naka-dress yan siya to. Naka-swimsuit yan. Yay!
Say why shy?
Ayan,
Daddy
si
shy.
Daddy. Nagbabawas ng hangin.
Mommy, Daddy shy.
What Daddy say? Say hi. Daddy said hi. Yes, Daddy say hi. Sit properly, okay? Put your seat belt properly because it's too bumpy. So Moana will save, okay? Put it back. Put your seat belt back. Oh,
My nappy.
you're not. Come on, put your seat belt back. Put properly. Very good. See, like that. Very good. At least your head is not bumping all over. Nice one. Good job. Good job. No. Put it properly like mommy. Put it. Yeah. Pabuyag ka talaga. That's why your head is bumping. Kasi, yan ang seatbelt mo. Put it properly. Very good. Okay, then let's move again. May dumaan pala na ranger. Ayan. What did he ask to you?
Okay.
Ah, okay. Mga ranger ng wildlife park. Ayan. Andito pa rin tayo, ka-blessed. Medyo malayo pa ang dagat. Ano mo dito nga nakasalubong ka? Ano ang gagawin? Atras abante. Grabe. Yan. Malapit na ka-bless eh. Ayun na tayo.
Where's the beach?
is the water. You see it? That's where the water is.
At the beach in the blue water.
Yeah, just before the blue water is the beach. Yeah, just before the blue water is the beach.
Yeah. Is that the beach? From there. Daddy, Daddy, we have to dry the sand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we need to dry the sand. Drive into the sand. Malapit ka na, pag malayo pa pala.
Daddy, that's Rico.
Yeah, that's really good.
Daddy, that's Rico.
Too close.
Daddy, that's Rico.
Pati tayo sumasayaw na din.
Actually, the wind level is quite good.
Huwag ka makakain ng isda, grabe. Dadaanan mo. Pero sulit naman daw ka-blessed ng fishing dito. Kasi ang isda makikita mo na mismo sa dagat. Kaya hindi mo masisi bakit ang dami din taong pumupunta dito. Kahit ganito. Saan ka makahanap may libre ng isda?
Can you imagine if you have the big...
Ayun na ka-blessed, nakikita na. Yung kanina akala natin malapit, malayo pa.
Don't turn right.
Pop,
Oh yes, you get stuck. Oh
pop,
my goodness.
pop, 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 pop.
Andito na tayo.
My red Aki.
What is that? Nag-fishing?
Mommy, Aki's going home.
Ate is going home. Ate is working. Dito mag-fishing.
Daddy,
Look at this, ka-blessed. Na-stuck na nga kami. OMG. As in. Baka na naghukay. Ayan, maglalagay tayo ng ang tawag nila dyan. Basta yan ang nilalagay kapag natatrap. Sand plate ba yan? Ay, naku si Daddy. Ipapunta mo okay naman. Pagbalik, ayan na. Yung bata natin, oh. Ala, sige. Stuck pa rin. Ayan, naka-blessed. Matutulong na sa amin. Magtatay. Ay. Thank you, Lord. Adventure.
no.
Woo! Thank you, Lord. Tignan mo gaano kalalim ang butas. Ayan, oh. As in, na-stuck talaga. Ito, dito masyado malala. See? Kita mo. Ay, nako naman.